Is your slush machine taking a long time to freeze or not fully freezing? One of the most common causes of this is a dirty or blocked condenser. The condenser is located behind the left side panel of the slush machine. While the machine is set to freeze, the fan sucks air through the condenser for cooling. It also sucks in dirt and dust at the same time, and this gets stuck into the fins of the condenser. When this builds up, the machine's cooling becomes less efficient. To avoid dirt build-up, cleaning the condenser is part of your regular cleaning schedule, which is as easy as giving it a brush. However, if this has been neglected, a bit more work is involved. At the end of this video, we will look at how to keep it clean to avoid future problems. Please do not undertake the following in your shop or near food. Move the machine to a workshop or outside. You will need a crosshead screwdriver and access to a compressed air blowgun. Remove the left-hand side panel to reveal the condenser. Remove the front and rear panels. While removing the front panels, be careful not to pull on the overflow pipes. These must be pushed back into the machine through the panel and left in place. Push the pipes in and then pull them out of the back of the panel. Sometimes a little washing up liquid will ease the movement. Using compressed air carefully but thoroughly, blow away all the dust and dirt from in between the fins of the condenser. Clean the inside of the machine, removing grease and dirt. Wash the panels and reassemble. Keeping the condenser clean will help avoid future problems and prolong the life of your machine. It will only take 10 minutes once a month. All you need is a brush, a vacuum cleaner, and if available, a can of compressed air. Simply remove the left-hand side panel and using a brush and vacuum cleaner, remove as much dust as you can from inside the fins of the condenser. If you can, blow some dust out with a can of compressed air.